The Kosovo Specialist Chamber's outreach team frequently meets with people all over Kosovo to provide information about the court, listen to people's concerns and answer questions. We want to share with you today some of the questions people have asked and our answers.
If an accused is found guilty, how will the judges determine the sentence?
The trial panel will take into account the sentencing range for the crime provided under the law at the time the crime was committed, as well as any evidence related to sentencing presented by the prosecution, the lawyers of the accused, and by victims' counsel.
Before the judges reach a decision on the sentence, both the specialist prosecutor and the defense have the opportunity to submit any relevant information and arguments.
The judges consider each charge for which the accused has been found guilty and determine one overall sentence reflecting the gravity of the crimes and the individual circumstances of the accused. In addition, the judges will consider whether there are any circumstances that weigh in favor of a higher sentence. These are known as aggravating circumstances, such as if a crime was committed against particularly vulnerable victims or with particular cruelty.
The trial panel will also take into account any circumstances that could justify a lower sentence, such as efforts by the accused to compensate victims or their cooperation with the court. These are known as mitigating circumstances.
Can a judgment be challenged? Who decides on that?
A convicted person has the right to appeal both the judgment and the sentence. This means that a new panel of judges, called the Court of Appeals Panel, will be assigned by the President of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers to review the decision of the previous trial panel.
In their appeal of the judgment, the convicted person can allege that a law was misinterpreted or wrongly applied. They can also allege that a fact was either not taken into consideration or wrongly interpreted, or they can appeal the length or type of sentence that the judges imposed.
During the appeals process, the lawyers of the accused and the prosecution have the opportunity to present their legal arguments in writing through so-called appeal briefs. These can be responded to by the other party. In addition, the judges may decide to hold public hearings where the lawyers of the accused and the prosecution present their arguments orally.
The appeals panel may decide to affirm, reverse, or revise the trial judgment or the sentence.